How to import and export files in Silhouette Studio. Import files into media. Step 1. First download the files you want to use to your system. Step 2. Open Silhouette Studio. Step 3. Navigate to the file you just downloaded into your system. Step 4. Select the file, then drag and drop it into Silhouette Studio. Step 5. Alternatively, click File on the top left side of the screen and select Open. Step 6. Navigate to the location where you saved the file, select it and click OK. Import files into library. Step 1. Click the Library tab on the top right side of the screen. Step 2. Or go to File in the top bar, hover over to Library and select Library. Step 3. Open the library folder. Step 4. Right-click one of the folders and select New Folder. Step 5. Name the folder and hit Enter. Step 6. Adjust the Silhouette program screen and navigate to the files you want to upload to the Silhouette library. Step 7. Locate the files, select all, then drag and drop them into the folder you just created. Step 8. Once done, you can simply double-click the design to open it in the media. Export files from Silhouette Studio library. Step 1. First, open the Library tab in Silhouette Studio. Step 2. Click on your profile on the top left side of the screen and you'll be presented with a list of options. Step 3. Click Library Export to export the backup file of the library, which will not be accessible outside of Silhouette Studio. Step 4. Click Export User-Created Files to export user-created designs. Step 5. When it tells you to select a location on your computer, click Browse Computer. Step 6. Select the location where you want to save the file and click Select Folder. Step 7. It'll display the location, then click Export and it'll start exporting. Step 8. Once done, the folder where you've exported the files will pop open. Step 9. You should be able to access the files you've exported. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.